Pride Mobility now has a convenient app to offer you even more independence in your everyday life. The My Pride app is full of important information and exciting features to help you get the most out of your mobility experience with our power wheelchairs, electric scooters, and power lift recliners. This video will walk you through creating an account, adding your product, and exploring the different features of the app. Once you download My Pride from the App Store or Google Play and open the app for the first time, you'll need to create an account. Enter your name and email address and create a password. Upon submitting this information, you'll be asked to enter a one-time passcode, which you will receive in your email inbox. Enter the code and read through our Terms of Use and Privacy Policy. You'll need to scroll to the bottom of each one before being able to agree and advance. You'll be brought to the main page where you can add your Pride product. Tap Add Device and you'll have two methods to add your product: by scanning the barcode of your serial number tag or by entering the serial number manually. Tap Search when entered and your product should come up. Tap Confirm and you'll be given the option to register the warranty of your product. You could do this now or later. Now your product is added. By tapping on it, you can view your product's serial number and contact details of the Pride dealer. Below are several drop-down menus. Product information contains manuals, brochures, specifications, videos, and a link to explore available accessories at getpridegear.com. Maintenance gives you information on fault codes, good charging habits, and tips on how to maintain your product. Travel offers accessible travel tips. Under Help and Contact, you can find answers to frequently asked questions, submit feedback on your product or the app, and contact Pride Mobility. Other features can be found along the bottom scroll of the main page. Find Dealer helps you locate an authorized Pride dealer in your area, whether you're home or traveling. Use the slider to set the search radius and filter by product category and services. Enter your zip code and you'll discover all the local dealers who may be able to assist with your mobility needs. Accessible Locations helps you identify just that with the help of Google Maps. Search for nearby museums, hospitals, restaurants, and more establishments that have accommodations for those with mobility needs. You can also search for individual businesses in the area to see if they have accessibility accommodations. With the My Pride app, you'll be armed with product information, access to local dealers, and helpful tips to maximize your mobility experience.